Usually we used to log into many apps and websites. When we are logging to websites or apps, some of our data will be sent to their server. Sometimes that data may get leaked. Even data has been leaked from reputed companies. In this video, we'll be telling about how to find who is having our data and how to get back that data. Anyways, for this, you don't need to install any third-party application. What you need to do is open any browser. After opening any browser, search for Saymine. When you are searching for Saymine, you can see a website like this, www.saymine.com. Click on this website. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see Get Started. Click on Get Started. When you are clicking on that, you can see one page like this. Here you can see Next option. Click on Next. After that, again click on Next button. When you are clicking on that, they will ask you one question. Guess how many companies hold your data. Enter any number. For example, I am entering 51. After that, what you need to do is click on this Next button. After that, here you can see Let's Go option. Click on this Let's Go. After that, here you can sign in with your Google account, Microsoft account or Yahoo account. For example, I am signing in with Google account. Here select the Google account. Now when you are scrolling down, you can see how many companies are having your Google account data. If you want to see which are the companies, just click on see which companies, and when you are clicking on that, you can see which are the companies. When you are clicking on that company, you can see every details. You can see which are the data they are having. Here you can see email address is with them, approximate location is with them, and my phone number is also with them. For example, if you don't want this company to have your data, what you can do is, here you can see reclaim option. Click on this reclaim, and when you are clicking on that, down here you can see send request option. Click on send request. When you are clicking on that, again you will be asked to select your Google account. I am selecting this Google account. After that, here you can see allow button. Click on allow. Now you can see request sent. To reclaim your data, it will take some time. If you want to know status, here you can see my reclaims option. Click on my reclaims, and here you can see that details. Here it is showing still processing your reclaim. So this way you can find out which companies are having your data, and if you want to reclaim that data, you can do that also. We have told about that also. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.